How to fix screen flickering and flashing problem in Windows 10. First, open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter and click on Update Driver. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Right-click white frame and click on Edit and then Paste. Press Enter. Do the same to other command. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Now type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Setting and click on System. Click on Advanced Display Setting. Click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Open Monitor tab. Select your screen refresh rate. Click on Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Disable and then click on Enable. Now your problem should be fixed. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.